the best onion omelette I've ever eaten. To begin, let's slice one onion. Let's cut 7 ounces of mozzarella into little cubes. Take this moment to leave me in the comments from which city you're watching. As soon as the video ends, I'll answer you and send you a special hug. In a pan, let's put some olive oil and fry the onion. We'll add salt and pepper. Now let's add 6 eggs, parsley, the cheese, 1 tablespoon of Parmesan, and paprika. Let's mix everything. We'll cover the pan for a while. And our recipe is ready. Make it at your house, you won't regret it. And don't forget to leave me a grade from 1 to 10. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. A big kiss and see you tomorrow. Bye bye!